A section cut is a drawing element used to convey design relationships to human and natural uses. Section drawings may be used for a variety of design demonstrations, from building infrastructure displaying underground utilities to landscaping walls displaying root systems. In this tutorial, we will focus on drawing street sections. Street section cuts lay out all features of a street, including the widths of traffic lanes, bike paths, and parking spaces, and both the widths and heights of sidewalks, medians, bus islands, and bioswales. Additional to the cuts, street section drawings exhibit pedestrian activity and street uses by vehicles, active transportation modes, and transit, surrounded by existing or proposed structures and landscaping. Street sections may range from simple to complex. They can be black and white with silhouettes or full color with photo cutouts. Traditional street sections show the street at eye level or straight on. More complex and detailed sections may utilize aerial or perspective views to show a length of street functions. Some street sections continue with a plan view extension, visualizing the street textures, markings, and usage. In Tutorial 4B, we will be focusing on building street sections in Adobe Illustrator. We will construct the entire drawing in Illustrator, but in the future, you may choose to build sections in AutoCAD for more precise measurements before exporting to Illustrator or Photoshop. For more information on selecting section cuts and choosing drawing objects or features, check out the Tutorial 4A guide sheet.